Okay, so I just got my Bankroll Coffee delivery and I wanted to do a little unboxing as if I'm sponsored, but I'm not. I'm really not. I just wanted to get this coffee, even though I don't really drink coffee, but I want to try it. I'm gonna maybe learn how to make a cup of coffee for real with an actual coffee maker, because I've never done that before. I know. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so I got it in this like box. So I saw Graham's video talking about how they try to reduce the cost of shipping and packaging the product. So I'm kind of surprised that they went with this as the packaging, but you know, I think it works. It works. I'm just saying. But I do have to throw this out in the trash. Bankroll Coffee. Thanks for joining me for a cup of Bankroll Coffee. I've been working hard to find the perfect cup of coffee that serves up all the flavor without breaking the bank, and this is the result. Enjoy the coffee and enjoy the savings. Oh, that's cute. Okay, we have Huddle Strong and Robust Espresso Roast ground. I got all of them ground. I'm not even joking. I have never made a cup of coffee before, like on a coffee maker. So I have no idea. Like I have a general understanding of how it works. I've just never done it myself. Oh, I'm gonna get so many comments about that. Morning drip, balanced and smooth, dark roast. Cute. I really want to try the espresso. Maybe I should get a coffee maker. Okay, my parents have a coffee maker, but oh god. See, I'm not a fan of this. It's spilling everywhere. 20-cent coffee. Yes. Okay, 20-cent coffee, balanced and robust, medium roast. Double down, bright and rich, another medium roast. Diamond hands, this is the one I wanted. Diamond hands. Bright and full-bodied, light roast, ground. Okay, nice. We got the diamond hands, double down, morning drip, Huddle, and 20-cent coffee, all in here. With this very, very cute thank you note. I think I'm gonna keep this because this is nice. But I guess I'll be trying to make my first real cup of coffee on my own with this because oh wait, there's instructions. Use cold and filtered water, 2 tablespoons ground coffee, brew in it. See, the brewing part is what I don't know. My extent of coffee making is like the TikTok coffee and buying coffee from somewhere else. Like I've seen people make coffee, I've just never made it myself. If I make it myself, I've used instant coffee, so I've never just done this. I want to take a picture and be basic. I'm gonna post this to my story on my Instagram. At Frugality and Finance, by the way, if anyone cares. I don't usually advertise my Instagram just because I don't post that much, but sometimes I'll post stories on there if you guys want to follow me. I'm just not that interested in making a bunch of like fun posts. I like seeing other people's posts. That's why I like following other personal finance people on Instagram. I'm just not much of a content creator there yet though. Is there a coffee song? Oh, I cool coffee in the morning. Wow, I gotta say, this coffee is really good. I've been trying the Diamond Hands coffee for like the past week and it's been so good, especially for someone who doesn't really drink coffee usually, but obviously I've clearly gotten into it because I've been drinking it a lot lately. So I think this is helping me overcome my dislike for coffee's taste. I'm maturing my taste buds. But anyway, I'm really enjoying this cup of Bankroll coffee in my favorite tumbler. So yeah, Graham, if you're watching this, great job. I really do like the coffee and it's been pretty good so far and definitely worth it. Like I don't know that much about coffee prices because I don't buy coffee, or at least not like fancy coffee. But to me, it seemed like it was pretty affordable for 5 of those different bags, the whole bundle. So I think it's priced really well. I don't know if they're sold out or anything, but if any of you guys want to try it, I think it's always cool to try new things, and here I am trying something new and having my iced Bankroll coffee for 20 cents at home. Alright, thanks for watching.